How to send invoice on Wise. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wise account and head straight to the home page. Once you're there, you'll see a neat list of all the different currencies you've got accounts for. Take your pick, select the currency you want to send the invoice in, and then hit that inviting request button. Next up, you'll need to fill in a few essential details, such as the specific amount you're after. But wait, here's the fun part. To make your invoice look snazzy and professional, we recommend using an online invoice builder. It's super easy to use and lets you craft a customized invoice that suits your needs perfectly. Just hit Create Invoice, add all the necessary bits and bobs, and save the file. Once you've got your freshly minted invoice ready, simply upload it to your Wise account when you're requesting the money. Piece of cake, right? That's all there is to it. And there you go. Now you're all set to send invoices on Wise. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.